Hello, my name is Amelie Carrano, and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 Enhancement 1. This is the template page. I will check the CSS, and there's no errors. Now I'm going to check the HTML, and there is no errors too. Now, as we click home, we go to the home view Enhancement page. The fonts and colors are according to the description of the exercise. And let me check CSS. No errors. Let me check HTML. No error too. Errors too. And let's see if this site is responsible. I like to do it like this. Just to check the menu. And also the index page. Sorry. And the menu. Okay. This is it. Thank you for your attention.